Hello everyone. Happy World Autism Awareness Month to everyone. I am Akash Vanjani, and today I am going to present my life story to you to everyone. So next slide, please. Yeah, this is the agenda for today. Like, I'll discuss about my childhood times, about my adulthood times, about my work life, about my interest and hobbies, and of course about my personal achievements in life, challenges faced in life, and what is my vision for my rest of my life, and of course an important message to everyone about autism. So can we go to the next slide, please? Yeah, so my name is Akash Vanjani and I am autistic since childhood. I was born on 25th April 1991. I did my schooling and college from Delhi itself. Next slide, please. Yeah, childhood times. Initial childhood, I hated to have a bath as I was very sensitive to heart touch. Even today, I do not like heart touch. I was not comfortable with certain sounds like ambassador car, matador van, generator, mixer, motorcycles, etc. So these sounds actually issue is not now resolved. This was only for few years. So okay, so we can go to the next slide. Yeah, so I did schooling from there from Delhi only, and I did from our school RK Puram. I was very good in studies, but quite shy and quiet and shy person. I found it very difficult to make friends. I did not have much friends during my school days, so because I lacked social skills. So yeah, adulthood times, so college days. So I did BTech from Triple IT Delhi, means, and there I actually secured a CGPA of 7, which was a good actually. I was having a crush on a girl in my batch, but she did not like me. Which was making me very frustrated. I wanted her to like me, but she did not. So of course those were the times of adulthood, very difficult times. Next slide, please. I did 3 months internship in Microsoft IDC. It means after completing third year of college. So this was in Hyderabad. So I was away from home. This was the first time I was away from home. So because of that, I was feeling very homesick and homesick during internship. And because of my deficits, like in my work, I could not get pre-placement offer. Which there were 3 people whose work got selected from for Microsoft internship, and other 2 people they got pre-placement offer, but I could not get it. So next slide. So like I because I did not get a pre-placement offer, I was in the I was in the college placement, and I got placed in Adobe. So from college, so I joined Adobe in May 2013 after finishing my BTech. So from there I was working in Adobe till April 2017. I started facing performance issues in Adobe also because of my deficits. So and since there is no autism program at Adobe, so I was asked to resign. And but I got a good deal with like a ex gratia amount, and I did even get a outplacement service as exit package. So this was the story of Adobe before joining SAP. So bachelor life now come to. So I started living alone in Noida from May 2015. So after that, I was only coming home on weekends. But like since I didn't know much. I thought that this is the only time to enjoy. So I was eating a lot of junk food like pizzas and burgers. So which spoiled my health. So this is my bachelor life. Now from 17 July 2017 onwards, I'm in SAP. And first initially when I joined, I was working for UOM project, which is actually Unified Operations Management, and later on I shifted to UI masking project. So challenges, work from home, current situation because of COVID situation was very challenging for me. I was finding it very difficult to cope up with this work from home, but now I'm actually fine with work from home. So and then I have received a lot of support from my colleagues, from my manager, from my buddy, both in UOM and UI masking project. So I'm very thankful to people in Adobe, in SAP, to be understanding my issue and to actually include me and with supporting me wherever I need their support. Yeah, my interests are mainly metro, electronics, law of attraction. So these are the topics which I keep talking about mostly. So so and then my hobbies are swimming, water park, PC games, movies, music. Yeah, so my vision in life, I want, as you might have been knowing, that I want to become a trainer and give proper guidance to entire population. Like whatever guidance I'm giving to every you, I want to give it to entire population in this world, and give them the right, and open their eyes to what they should, how they should manage in life. I also want to become a well-known and famous person, which I will be becoming if I once I become a trainer and give proper guidance to the entire population. And now message to also, we don't need to worry about autism. It is just like we are seeing the world little differently from rest of the audience, but so that's why our behaviors, everything, we opinions are different from others, and since we are the minority, we get criticized by rest of the world. But there's nothing to worry about. It's actually, if we analyze, we people with different perception of the world, or look or vision of the world only only have become successful. Like whatever you see, that Bill Gates and Isaac Newton, they've had a different perspective towards the world. Like so many people saw apple falling from an apple tree, but nobody thought about why nobody tried to going deep into why does it fall down, and why doesn't it go somewhere else, which Isaac Newton did. And that's what made him famous, because of the discovery of gravity. Had he been also been like rest of the audience at that time, that who cares, let apple come down, what do I care, what is it to me whether apple goes up or down? Then he wouldn't have become famous. There wouldn't have been any discovery of gravity. Same way, all the inventions and discoveries have happened by those people who had a different perspective from other than the audience. So of course, if we have the if we look at the world differently, and if we have a different perspective towards the world, that will that we can use it for our own advantage, like these people. So there's nothing to worry about the autism. So thank you for watching my presentation.